You are welcome. Yeah, guys, you're welcome. It's a girl, Uymart. Today, I'm gonna be talking on how I lighten my skin overnight, and it's actually a very simple way how I lightened it. So before going deep into this, please, if today is the first time of coming by, consider subscribing to my channel, and as well click on that notification bell to be notified on other videos I'm creating. So today I'm going to be sharing with you the simple home remedies to use and get rid of your acne, your blackheads, whiteheads, and all other skin rashes with my native chalk. This native chalk is scientifically known, it's known as bentonite clay, and here in Nigeria is known as calabash chalk or native chalk. Okay, as I said, so this bentonite clay is found everywhere in the world, so you can get it anywhere anytime you need it, in the market, drugstore, anywhere you need it, you can get this bentonite clay. So I'm going to be using this bentonite clay to share and show you how I cleared my skin and how I got rid of all the acne that has been the acne breakout. So the first thing I'm going to share with you is this bentonite clay. It's a natural, it's found everywhere, as I said, and it also contains natural minerals, which are the calcium, magnesium, and iron. It's known for its own absorbent properties. That's the power of absorbing oils from your face and the power of getting rid of acne breakouts, getting rid of blackheads, getting rid of whiteheads, and other skin infections or skin diseases, likewise rashes as well. So this bentonite clay is super good for your skin and hair, but today I'm going to be focusing on how I use this bentonite clay to clear my face and as well lighten my facial skin. So the first thing I'm going to share with you is how to make this paste. I'm going to be using the bentonite powder. Okay, this particular one is actually the clay itself. This is how it looks like, and once it's been broken or separated, this is you into a powdery form. Here is how it looks like. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be needing just half tablespoon of this, just half of it. Here is it. Then I'll turn it inside my plate, then add a little quantity of water inside. Wow. Then I'm gonna mix it thoroughly. Then I'm still gonna add it again and mix it thoroughly. It depends on the quantity that you need and how the breakouts are on your skin. So I'll advise you go for a bentonite clay that will be enough for you to mix. You can mix as much as you want, but it should be in a very thick form. Okay, so I'll keep mixing it. Okay, once it's thick, I'm gonna apply it with my brush, my blush brush. Okay, so now that I'm done mixing it, this mixture, it's known for its absorbent properties, and it helps to get rid of oils from your face. That is the sebum oil, which is normally secreted from your skin, your God-given skin. So this bentonite clay gonna help to absorb those oils, the dirt, and the dead skin cells on your skin. Once it absorbs, it attracts it, and it will make your skin a bit tight. It will now open all the clogged pores, and it will help to get rid of all the acne that has been on your face for a long time. So it's time for me to apply this my mixture. I said it's thick, and and it's supposed to be thick. So I'm gonna apply it this way with my blush brush. Then I'll keep applying it and focusing on the areas that I'm seeing acne, blackheads, and pimples as well. This bentonite clear is super good for all those skin conditions. So I'll be applying it everywhere. You know it's natural, so it doesn't have effect on your skin. That's your eye and other sensitive parts. It's super good and it's God-given clear. Okay, so I've actually shown you how this bentonite clear looks like. So I'm gonna focus on this my cheek where I normally see blackheads. That is the T-zone, which is my chin. This is my chin where I'm focusing on where I normally see blackheads. My nose as well, and my forehead. This is where I normally see blackheads. So once now that I'm done applying it, I'm gonna wait for complete 20 minutes. When I say 20 minutes, 10 like this, and the next 10 minutes before washing it out. What I'm gonna do is I'll be using lukewarm water to wash it out, and once I'm done washing it out, I'm gonna share with you as well. I'm gonna show you how it looks like, how I feel after washing it out. Watch me while we wait. So guys, after the 20 minutes that I just waited and I washed my face now with lukewarm water, here is how it looks like and how it feels. Aww. My face is so dry. I think I didn't wash this place out well. That's why it's like that. Oh, I'm feeling myself. It's so dry, and if you're this type that has oily skin, I will say you should be using olive oil or coconut oil as your moisturizer, because they are all essential oils. Then this particular one that I'm gonna be using is, I have a dry skin, so I'm gonna be using Blue Seal Vaseline as my moisturizer. So anybody that has dry skin, any moisturizer can go with your skin. But if you have a wet or oily skin, what I recommend is you go for coconut oil, olive oil, almond oil. So now that I'm done applying my Vaseline as my moisturizer, I'm feeling wow. I am feeling fresh and refreshed. When I say my skin is so free, that's how I'm feeling now. I'm feeling funky. So guys, you need to try this. You need to use your bentonite clear, or you need to use your native chalk, because that's another name for it, bentonite clear or native chalk, but here we call it calabash chalk. Then the Igbos here call it nzu, while my tribe calls ndom. So never mind of all the names that I'm calling, but once you get to the drugstore and you request for bentonite clear or native chalk, then this gonna be given to you. It's always packaged, or it can be given to you this way, but I'm sure it's so free because they are all natural. They are naturally made. So once you use it, you feel yourself after washing your face out. You feel the acne and everything, the clogged pores will be opened, and you feel yourself being free from other skin rashes. So today I'm gonna stop here, and don't forget to use your native chalk. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click on that notification bell to be notified on other videos I'm creating. Love you guys all. Bye bye.